Welcome to Marie-Louise Art, everybody. Today I'm bringing a Golden Galaxy Waterfall to life, blending spray paint and acrylics to create glowing planets, shimmering stars and a magical cosmic waterfall. Thank you so much, my lovely members, Linda, Jill and Silver Dove, and welcome everybody. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. It really helps me on my journey and I so appreciate you being here with me. So today we've got Golden Galaxy Waterfall spray paint and acrylic waterfall, and it's my birthday, so it's Talent Tuesday with my gorgeous friend Kim from Kim's Art Alchemy, and we're having a special piece today which was fantasy, galaxy, and let's see what happens. So today I got my spray paint out and I start to create this golden planet that just came to mind. This whole painting just came to mind one morning, and I thought, you know what, for years of painting for other people, today I'm going to create a piece that I really fancy keeping. So I'm doing a golden planet, and I start with spray paint to build up a rich, vibrant galaxy, and I'm layering the deep colours of the golds and yellows and adding a bit of black around the side and white around the side to create the shadows. And I'm adding textures that create planets and star clusters to help them feel alive in this piece. And I'm using simple tools like sponges and bamboo sticks to help me create depth and movement really quickly. So now I've created my main planet. I add another one later on in a different way. I start to wonder how I can get the background feeling really rich and colourful, but really sort of contrasted at the same time. So I decided to cover up my planet, and then I used some really lovely colours, dark planetary colours with hues of blue and purple and black to create atmosphere. So enjoy the music for a moment, and I'll come back shortly as I begin to switch to acrylics so I can create the golden waterfall. Kim and I both love galaxy art and fantasy, and it just felt the most fitting piece to do something with a combination of those two. So I hope you're enjoying the ride today. Let me know what you think in the comments below and what you're working on at the moment.
Sunshine got me wishing for the moonlight. Got me wishing I was with you. Eyes are powder blue, powder blue. Dreaming, I've been dreaming of that feeling. Darling, I can stay right here, close to you, my dear, you, my dear. Oh, I got you, now and forever.
So I begin to use my sponges and my bamboo sticks to create the waterfall, and I'm letting it flow naturally across the canvas, blending with the cosmic background. The light and the reflection from the waterfall are tying the planet in, and I'm creating in my mind this idea of this second planet that I'm going to add shortly. As I start to create reflection from the waterfall, I can see how it's tying in with the planet, the golden planet, and the galaxies together, and it's giving the painting kind of otherworldly feel. So what do you think? And in a minute, I've been very naughty because it's my birthday. I've started to open some of my presents before my birthday day. As we get older, I think it's so important to really celebrate your birthday much more. And I was speaking to a lovely friend of mine earlier, Tonya, and she's saying that she celebrates her birthday for a month. So our week, we need to get on top of our game. So I'm now, one of the presents I opened was from my dear mum. She got me some paint that I saw her using on one of the icons that she was painting recently, and it's called Gold Farben. I've never heard anything like it before, but when I saw her painting with it, I thought, my God, I need this gold. So she really kindly bought it for me, and it was such a surprise because I just mentioned that I loved it, and it came with a leaflet. And inside there were two brothers, there were two twins, and one of them had passed away sadly. And so his brother, when he was doing his tombstone, he's chatted with a mason and discovered that they were looking for paints that would weather the storm and last for a long time. And Gold Farben, which he now does in gold and mirrored black and a few other colours, is that particular gold. So you can just see how amazing it is and how long it lasts. And so I thought I would put a little bit on my painting and just experiment with it. You know how much I love experimenting. So I got the gold and I started to mix it up because it has said stir really well, and stirred it and stirred it and stirred it. And I was just delighted in how much it felt so fluid. It was like using fluid acrylic paint. So I used it to highlight the planet and to highlight the mountains and the waterfall. And so I am so pleased with the outcome of it, and I'll show you towards the end just how this actually does look like 23 karat gold. I went a bit overboard with it, and I was just using it and using it, even though I needed the tiniest amount, and then I started to add some stars in the sky. So enjoy the rest of this piece and that combination of spray paint and acrylics really simply blending together to create a really beautiful golden galaxy and bringing this golden galaxy and waterfall to life. I've really enjoyed blending spray paint and acrylics together. It's such a natural combination. So I'll come back towards the end and I'll show you how this piece turned out. Enjoy the music.
In your eyes, I see a glimpse of light. A new sun is coming up. So it begins. Feel the heat on your skin. A new fire is stirring up. I know it's gonna happen. These dreams, they are for chasing. Don't stop, we got to keep racing. Oh, so come on, dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer. Don't let go. In your heart, you know you're strong and you're brave enough. It's your time. You were made to fly. Never ever giving up. I know it's gonna happen. These dreams, they are for chasing. Don't stop, we got to keep
I wonder if you can spot the two figures to the left of the painting under the big planet that are standing above the waterfall. That's hubby and I. I'm so looking forward to spending some quality time with hubby on my birthday week and with some wonderful family and friends. Not forgetting our soul dog, the beautiful Eve. So the splattering of a few more little stars, my piece is completed. I'm so pleased with this piece. I can't believe I've finally done a painting for myself after so many years of painting for others. I've thought about it before, but I've never actually done it. So how appropriate that I've done it, and I'm going to keep it on my birthday. So thank you so much for being here, everybody. I'd love to know what you think about the combination using spray paint and acrylics to create a golden galaxy and bring this waterfall to life like this. I'd love to know what you think. And can you see the gold farb and how it's really highlighted things in such a beautiful way? I'm so glad I went over it with a bit more black to give it a bit more depth. Let me know, what do you think about the flow of it? Does it look natural across the canvas? That particular gold, so shimmery, and as always, you can't ever see it in real life as it is on the canvas, but you can get some idea. And I had a couple of beautiful presents as well. My dear friend Colin painted in Samoa with a local lady this beautiful piece. Thank you so much, Colin. And my beautiful friend Kim created this, and she sent it to me too. It's just the most beautiful piece that she's done. Please check out her channel. She's my partner in crime today and my collaborator on YouTube. And thank you so much for celebrating my birthday with me, Kim. And all my lovely friends that are here today, please check out Kim's channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. So let's go across now and see Kim's creation from Kim's Art Alchemy. I'll put the link to her piece in my description and pin comments below. So keep shining, and don't forget that your art is a piece of you. I hope to see you again soon. Take care now. Bye.